they're all being treated wrong the same way. Good, absolutely, excellent. Okay, so what we're going to do, what we need to do first is we need to finish reading. We only have about 2 pages left, so I'm going to give you guys about 7 minutes to read it. You're going to read it in partners. So you're going to pair up, you can sit wherever you want in the room, but remember that all 3, I think it's 3 pages need to be read at the end of that 7 minutes, okay? As you're reading though, can somebody read the second paragraph under activity 1 for me? Emundo? Uh-huh.
Together we will finish chapter 1 to find out what the animals were seeing. Consider the following questions. Consider the following questions.
As you read?
As you read. It says are you read.
I know, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I make mistakes sometimes too. Okay. What imagery is present? What else?
What is the message?
What is the message? Good. What else?
Why do the animals like it so much that they memorize it and stop?
Okay, why do they like it so much? And what's the last one? I like to know the questions that I'm thinking about before I start reading, because that way I can really focus on a couple of things. Okay, what emotions does it appeal to? Okay, so you are on page 11. Everybody flip to page 11. Okay, we stopped in the middle of page 11. Okay, so you're going to finish off page 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, it's 2 total pages. Okay? You may go wherever you would like in the room. You can partner up. In 7 minutes, you must be done now. When you're done, please discuss the questions that we just talked about. Okay? Yes? What? No, you guys can do with each other. Wherever you want. Okay, let's go, guys. 6 minutes, 30 seconds left. All right, checking me in 3, 2, 1. I need all eyes right here. Okay. I need 6, 7 volunteers to read each one of the stanzas in this song. What's a stanza, by the way? Yeah. I'm not a reading teacher. What's a stanza? Lindsay? I'm sorry? It's a little bit more. Go ahead. It's like a little paragraph in a poem or a song, right? Good. So I need 6 volunteers for the first, or for the 7 stanzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who else? I need 1 more volunteer. Victor, 7. You're going to read the 7th one. Thanks for volunteering. All right. Number 1, read it out for me.
Feast of Eden, feast of island, feast of every land and kind. Hearken to my joyful tidings of the old future time. Sooner or later the day is coming, tiring man shall be overthrown, and the fruitful fields of England shall be thrown from the beast alone.
Wind shall vanish from our knees, and the harness from our back. Bit and spur shall rest forever, full whips no more shall back.
Riches more than mine can picture, wheat and barley, oats and hay, clover, beans, and mango wurzel shall be ours upon that day.
Bright will shine the fields of England, pure shall its waters be. Sweeter yet shall those breezes on the day that sets us free.
For that day we all must labor, we die before it break. 1,000 horses hasten to these, all must toil for freedom's sake.
Feast of England, feast of Ireland, feast of every land and clime. Hearken now and spread light, tidings of golden future time.
Okay, excellent. So what we're going to do now is we're really going to look at each one of these stanzas, which is what again, Lindsay? I forgot. I have a terrible memory. What? It's like a mini paragraph in a song or a poem, right? Okay, good. So I'm going to start with this one. We're going to do this one together. Okay, so just to give you guys a rundown of the rest of class, we're going to do this one together. You guys are going to do the next 3 with a partner, and you're going to do the last 3 by yourselves. Okay? So I'm going to show you kind of my thinking through this. So you can either be looking at the screen or you can be looking at me. Okay? So I'm going to read this first stanza. I'm going to read it a couple of times, guys. You are my 3rd class, so I've probably read this 10 times. Okay? But I'm going to read it again. Okay? Because I'm trying to get a deeper meaning to it. Okay? So as I read this, beasts of England, beasts of Ireland, beasts of every land and clime. Okay? Clime is kind of short for climate. Okay? So that first part tells me they're talking about all the animals. Okay? All the animals. Okay? You guys can write it down. If I'm writing it, you're writing it. Oh, sorry. That's right, it's off the page. Oh, thanks, guys. Okay. So this first part is just saying all the animals, not just some of them. Beasts of England, which is where they are. Beasts of Ireland, which is right next door. Beasts of every land and climate, right? All animals. Okay, so I have all the animals. Hearken to my joyful tidings. Okay, so I've seen joyful before. Okay, joyful means like happy, right? So hearken, I don't know what that word is maybe, so let's skip over that and let's see if I can get the meaning here. Okay, hearken to my joyful tidings. Well, it's talking about like a happy time, right? So I start thinking, they're probably talking about a happy time, okay? And then of the golden future time. So happy time in the future, okay? So far I have all the animals from the first 2 lines. We'll have a bright and happy future. Okay? So now I've paraphrased, okay? I've paraphrased this stanza and put it in my own words, okay? That is only the first half of what I'm doing. I also now, you guys get the wonderful privilege of seeing me draw animals, which I am worse at than anything else. Okay? So the other part of this is what imagery am I seeing? Okay, what is this song telling me? Okay, so what images are coming into my head? So I see the beasts of England, the beasts of Ireland. So I'm going to draw some animals, because I see animals. So first I'm going to draw a pig. Sorry, pigs everywhere. Pigs have curly tails. It's more like a sheep. Let's call that a sheep. Sheep. It's starting to be a pig. Okay? So I have a pig. I have like a horse maybe. Okay, again, I'm very sorry about my drawing. That is a great horse. Okay? I have a pig, I have a horse. Okay? And then, I'm going to do this. That's a clock. I'm going to make it into a sunny clock. Because I'm thinking of a future time, right? So that plays both purposes for me. It's a time, because it's a clock, and it's future, and it's bright, so I made it like a sun. Okay, so it's like a sun clock. Yes. Did I make that up? Maybe I'll put a little smiley face on the sun clock. Yay! Okay, so now I have the images that I see as I read that passage. Okay, and then I have my paraphrase. For a lot of people, it's easier to draw the pictures first and then do the paraphrase. So I would recommend you guys do that, even though I kind of did it backwards this time. I was getting ahead of myself because I was very excited about it. But make sure you have this example copied down. And I know it's going to be hard, but try really hard to make a better animal than I did. Again, it's an impossible task, but I think you guys can do it. Okay? So now, for the next 7 minutes, you guys are going to work on these next 3. Okay? If you come across a word or a phrase that you don't know, and you reread it a couple of times and you're still not sure what it means, please ask me. Okay? That's why they pay me to be here, so I can help. Okay? You're working with a partner. I don't want you to move around the room because I want you right on your desk. I want you to work with the person that's sitting right next to you. Okay? So let's get to work. You have 7 minutes starting right now. Daniel, you can work with these two. Or actually, no. Okay? Alyssa, you can work with 12. It's okay, we're doing something academic, so we'll stay focused on that. We two can work together as well.
Sooner or later, the day is coming when man shall be overthrown. Fields of these men shall be destroyed by beasts. The last two, I see like a field with animals running free. Animals throwing a man over a wall. The man is over the wall.
Thank you for asking.
Mr. Jones getting thrown out of the wall.
A couple, like one animal thrown.
Yeah, a couple of them.
Yeah. Fruitful just means that it produces a lot of stuff.
Mr. Jones chased away animals.
Hey guys, I've had this question a lot. The word trod means just to walk over something. Okay, so when it says beasts shall be trod by beasts alone, that just means that only the animals can walk over it. You're doing 3 with a partner yet.
A man will be chased away and will run free.
Okay, you're doing the next 3 together, guys, and then you're going to do the last 3 on your own.
Should not be slept. Or animals will be free from